Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of Kesari Bath. Heat a pan and add 1/4 cup of ghee. To that, add few cashew nuts and saute it for some time. Then add a tablespoon of raisins. Saute it for some time and transfer it to a plate. Into the same pan add half a cup of rava. You can prepare Kesari Bath using Chiroti Rava or Bombay Rava. Here I have taken Bombay Rava, which is also called as medium rava. Saute until rava turns light brown in color. This will take somewhere around 4 to 5 minutes. Until then, we'll heat water in a pan and allow it to boil. Kesari Bath can be prepared either using milk or water. Here I have used water. Once the rava is roasted well, pour boiling water to rava and give it a good mix. Mix until no lumps are formed. Now add saffron soaked in hot water. You can replace kesar with a pinch of yellow food color. After about 5 minutes, rava is cooked well and has turned soft. Now add sugar. Mix well until sugar is dissolved completely. Now add fried nuts and cardamom powder. Give it a good mix. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. Delicious Kesari Bath is ready. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.